Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to update PlayStation 5 with USB. Let's go. Open website PlayStation. Support. Hardware and repairs. Choose PlayStation 5. PlayStation 5 software updates. Update using a computer. PlayStation 5 system software update. Update PlayStation 5 system software using a PC or Mac. Connect the USB drive to the computer. Format. FAT32. Create a PlayStation 5 and update folder. Put the update folder in the PlayStation 5 folder. Download the update file and place it in the update folder. Pay attention to the file name. Connect the USB drive to the console. Press and hold the power button until the second beep sounds, about 3 seconds. PlayStation 5 is turned off and ready to launch safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the second beep sounds, about 7 seconds. Switch to the PlayStation 5 source. Connect dualsense via USB cable. Choose Update System Software. That's it. Now you know how to update PlayStation 5 with USB. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.